How to send documents by transmittal to email recipients with Advantage VBM. Tag one or more documents in the document list. Right-click the document list and select Send to Mail Recipient as Attachment from the pop-up menu, or click the mail icon on the main toolbar. Add a recipient from the Contacts Manager address book. On the Options tab, choose to send the documents under a transmittal, in PDF format, and as a zip package. If you have PDF Creator installed, you can combine the documents into a single PDF attachment. You can customize the file names of the documents being attached. Choose to send the documents under Formal Communications, in which case, the email will be automatically retrieved from your Outlook Sent Items folder, and saved into VBM. Select the category where the sent email will be saved in VBM. An Outlook email will be created including a transmittal, and the documents attached according to your chosen options. Add your instructions to the email, and send it as normal. Activate VBM, and the sent email, including attachments, will appear in the document list. VBM is a relational file system, and has automatically linked the outgoing email to the transmittal, and the transmittal to the attached documents. Select the outgoing email, and click the Relational button, to show the associated transmittal. Select the transmittal, and click the Relational button, to show the associated attachments. You can follow the relational links both ways. VBM will also create multiple emails whenever the documents being attached exceed your maximum attachment size. You can edit the maximum attachment size on the Options tab. The number of emails created will depend on the file sizes of the attachments. In this case 4 emails are created due to the file sizes. Send each email as normal. If you chose to send the emails as formal communications, the emails will be saved in VBM, as a variant for each email. You can create Excel reports of document delivery, including a detailed delivery matrix report. Embedded hyperlinks allow you to access the transmittals and documents directly from the report. Sending documents as email attachments, under a transmittal, and as PDF and zip packages, is so easy with Advantage VBM.